Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. It's a beautiful day out here in the allotment and I'm just here to have a look at my garlic and explain what I'm doing with them. I'm here to show you exactly what I'm doing. These are garlic scapes. Remember, with garlic, there is two varieties of garlic. There is the hardneck variety, which I grow all the time in the UK, or you have the softneck garlic that some people grow by. For my climate that I have here, hardneck does really well. You can try to grow some softneck, but the hardneck for me does wonders. And as you can see, you guys see this is a garlic scape, and this in turn will turn into a beautiful flowers, but you won't get no true seeds from this. It will take a few generations before you get real seeds from garlic, because getting garlic seeds are so difficult. Majority of the time people don't bother with the transferring of these into seeds. They rather just buy a clove of garlic and plant it because it's much easier to manage or much easier to do. And they do have wild garlic, which just grows leaves wild in the UK and other countries out there as well, and they're just amazing. So with this here, I'm gonna be removing it. The main reason why I'm removing them, as you can see some of them already here, I've removed already, is so that the energy that it will take to produce this beautiful flowers goes to the bottom here and focus on the energy, or focus all the energy, let me move that one out of the way, focus all the energy on the bottom here to give me a bigger bulb. So I'm going to remove them, and here, look at this one here. I've removed it already. I removed it, this garlic tape, and look guys, look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. It's just amazing. Amazing, I'm telling you. Look at that. It's just beautiful. So I'm going to be removing them, and you guys can see that and how I do it and what I used to do it. So I have my beautiful knife. It's a beautiful knife because it doesn't have a sharp pointy bit, so it's beautiful. Check out these guys, they're amazing. They make some amazing knife, and I've had this for a substantial amount of years and it does great wonders for me. I think this is the carving knife, but it doesn't matter, it's amazing. I'm going to use it, and the best thing about scapes is that they're all edible. So you can add it to your meats when you're stewing them down. You can add it to all your vegetables. If you're cooking up some kale and stuff like that, it has a strong flavor, strong smell, just like the garlic that you have. So I'm gonna go through these and just cut them all and save them as well. Take them home with me and add them to my food. If I'm marinating some meat, it's just beautiful. It's gonna add a lot of flavor to the food that I'm having. So I'm gonna go through here now quickly and just cut the rest that I haven't done and get them focusing on the energy to go into the bulb or the cloves of garlic that I'm looking for. I know this bit of land looks bushy. I've kind of neglected it. I've just left it to go wild because the garlic are coming to an end soon, because the garlic scape does start to show you that it's almost time to harvest them. When you see the scape coming up, that is getting closer to its harvesting time. I know you probably can see my back right now, but hey, I'm busy in the garden. Just remove one more. I think I only left a few at the top here, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go through these because I really want these garlics to turn out amazing. So removing them, it's a must if you do grow hardneck varieties. Just double check what variety that you have. Obviously, I think hardneck are the only one who give you scapes. The other ones don't. The softnecks do not give you scapes. So think about that as well. You're getting two for the price of one. So you're getting garlic and garlic scapes. And they are just so strong in flavor and smell. They are beautiful. So I think I've got all the extras that I didn't remove. Oh, well, nope, it's more than that. There's one more here. Let's get rid of it. That is it, guys. This is your boy Mr. Green Hands out here cutting out some garlic scapes so my garlics can focus the energy and giving me some beautiful garlics when it's time to reap. I think there's possibly maybe about 2 or 3 weeks remaining of these garlic before I harvest them. I know some people are harvesting garlic already. That is fine. I'm gonna make sure I harvest mine when the time is right. I don't want to remove them too early, then I won't get a bigger bulb or a bulb in general. So thank you guys. Don't forget to go out there and harvest some of your scapes, the garlic scapes, because they add flavor to your food and it makes your garlic bigger when the time comes. See you guys next time.